Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a working network. Once confirmed, open Windows Security now. Click Virus and Threat Protection to begin the Defender update flow. Make sure to keep other installs paused. They can lock files. If Windows updates are pending, note them. You may need a restart later. Start the manual definitions update by choosing Check for Updates under Virus and Threat Protection Updates. This kicks off the download and primes Defender for the next steps. Once you trigger Check for Updates, Defender fetches the latest definitions and engine files. You'll see progress. Wait calmly until it completes. Interruptions can corrupt updates. If the system reports a newer engine, allow automatic apply. That may require a quiet restart. While it installs, confirm no third-party AV is blocking components. Make sure Windows Update service is running. After successful apply, scan a small folder to verify definitions are active and responding to threats. Finish by running a quick scan, then optionally a full scan to confirm Defender reacts to threats. This validates the recent update. If the update fails, restart the machine and re-attempt the update check. Many failures clear after a reboot. If problems persist, open Event Viewer or Defender logs to capture the error code and reset the Windows Update components as a follow-up. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the latest security intelligence directly from Microsoft if definition updates repeatedly fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.